If you want to completely quit AnyDesk on Windows, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to close AnyDesk from the system tray so it stops running in the background. This is useful if you want to fully exit the app, free up system resources, or simply make sure remote access is no longer active. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, look down at the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar. This is where you'll usually find the system tray, which holds background apps and icons for programs that are currently running. If you don't immediately see the AnyDesk icon, don't worry. Click the Show Hidden Icons arrow, which looks like a little caret symbol. This expands the tray and shows apps that are running in the background but aren't visible right away. Once the hidden icons are open, look carefully for the AnyDesk icon. It should appear in the system tray near the clock and other background apps. When you find it, right-click the AnyDesk icon to open its menu. This menu gives you a few options related to AnyDesk, including the option to exit the program completely. From the menu that appears, click Quit. This will fully close AnyDesk and stop it from running in the background. After you click Quit, the AnyDesk icon should disappear from the system tray, confirming that the app has been closed successfully. And that's it. You've now learned how to quit AnyDesk on Windows in just a few simple clicks. If this saved you time, please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more fast and easy software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.